Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change media descriptions in VoiceOver on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in this part in the voiceover, scroll down again and then tap the verbosity. Then in this part in the verbosity section, scroll down and then find the media descriptions and then tap again. Then in the media descriptions, if you want to change it to speech, just tap the speech until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to braille, just tap the braille until there's also a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to both speech and braille, just tap it just like this. When the media descriptions is enabled, it determines how closed captions plus HDH are output during media playback. And if you want to change it back to turn off, just tap again the off until there's a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully changed media descriptions in VoiceOver on iPhone X. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!